Hey, how's it going, guys? So here we are now putting everything together. So previously I had shown a demonstration for this LCD screen and what it does by itself. We are able to communicate with it using our microcontroller, and we communicate with it using the SPI protocol, which is a synchronous peripheral interface. And we are able to essentially output pixels by writing to RAM. Into this LCD's RAM. It comes with the datasheet, and from the datasheet, I derived the SPI driver in order to be able to display what we wanted to this. Now, here we have a slide potentiometer, which allows us to vary the voltage. And as we vary the voltage in a continuous manner, we could use the ADC peripheral on this microcontroller. We can use that ADC peripheral in order to measure. We use the analog to digital converter in order to measure the real-time data of this voltage. And so essentially, as you can see here, as I vary the voltage in real time, we have mapped the output voltage onto this LCD screen. And this is essentially sort of like a poor man's oscilloscope. You can think of it that way, at least. At least it helps me feel better about this project. But yeah, this has been it was a challenge to get this to work. When you're working from scratch, you're working with data sheets, microcontrollers data sheets, as well as the LCD's data sheet. But hey, sometimes it's good to reinvent a wheel in order to improve one's skill.